Hello, and welcome to this quick and helpful guide. If you're tired of receiving constant notifications from the Discord app on your Android phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to easily disable all Discord notifications in just a few simple steps, directly from your device. Locate the Discord app icon on your Android home screen. Press and hold the Discord icon until a small menu appears. Tap on App Info from the menu that pops up. In the App Info screen, scroll down and select Manage Notifications. Now, toggle the switch at the top to turn off all notifications. Once toggled off, you will no longer receive any alerts from the Discord app on your Android device. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Discord notifications. If you found this tutorial useful, consider subscribing to the channel for more easy-to-follow tech tips and mobile app guides.